thought I'd jump on and share with you this workout I've been doing recently. Got some pretty good results with it. It's really basic, easy to do. I just wanted to thank Timmy Spears firstly. Saw a video of yours on Facebook and just motivated me to get on and share. So cheers, Timmy. So if you can't see, don't stress guys, I'll put the workout in the link below. I'm shivering because it's fresh as 11 stories up. I've got socks on and these tiles are freezing. So basic full body workout. You want to get into a warm up before you jump into it, so get the blood circulating. Warm up, star jumps, 35 of those bad boys. Then mountain climbers, doing for about 30 seconds to minute 30. You can do the warm up, 2 rounds of the warm up, and then have a bit of a rest and then jump into the workout. So the workout starts off with body weight squats. You do 15 to 20 of those. Wall sit, 30 seconds to max hold. So start off at 30 seconds or however long you can hold it for, and build your way up to max, like a minute, 2 minutes, whatever you can get. Keep going with it. Then get down into some push-ups, 15 of those. Get into some leg raises, so you get on the parallel bars and get into 15 leg raises. Then 15 dips. And then get into straight bar dips, and then you go over to the pull-up bar. You do pull-ups. You'll do pull-ups, and then you'll do inverted rows. So that's one round. So you do 2 to 3 rounds. Now in between exercises, you're going to have 30 seconds to a minute, 30 seconds, or just as much time as you need. You know, if you're just starting it, just, you know, take as much time as you need. All right. The good thing is that you're starting. Focus on your form. Quality over quantity, guys. Do this 2 to 3 times per week. Make sure that you know, if you get to 15 and you max out on all of these, just add some weight, get a weighted vest or whatever, and then you can increase it, make it harder, or shorten the times, whatnot. And make sure you add some extra days in there for abs. So this is a great workout that you can slam, you know, in 20, 30 minutes. Do it Friday afternoon before the weekend hits, or get up early, do it Saturday morning. Cheers for your time, guys, and everyone have a great weekend.